All right, and now I am on journal page 86 in our journals. Okay, it says work with a partner. And now if you don't have a partner at home, you can just work by yourself or with a stuffed animal or a pet. It says centimeter grid paper. What we're going to need, centimeter cubes and tape. We're going to have to improvise a little bit. Directions, choose a number 1 through 10. Use centimeter cubes to build an array with that number of rows and that same number of columns. Record the array on a centimeter grid paper. Use X's or color in each square. Write a multiplication number sentence below each array. Example, 3 times 3 equals 9. This is what we just did. Now, if you notice, 3 and 3 are the same factors, right? A factor times a factor equals a product, the answer. So 3 and 3, when these factors are the same, we make a square. Do you see how it makes a square right there? Because we did 3 times 3. Number 3 says repeat steps 1 and 2 with at least 2 other numbers. You may need to tape pieces of grid paper together for the larger arrays. Look at the arrays you made. How are they similar? How are they different? So first, this is what you're going to need to do. You're going to need to log on to your everyday math. This should look similar because you can go here for your math games. Now and then you go here when you want to read your, have your math boxes read to you. But we want to go to the e-toolkit today, the green one. Here's what you do. You go to backgrounds. I find grid paper, and I choose the 10 by 10 grid. Now, oops, some of mine got cut off on the top there. We'll have to work with it. Go to the tools. We don't have any centimeter cubes on here, but we do have counters. So this one says again, choose a number 1 through 10. So I'm going to choose 4. And I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. And it says to fill in your array with the same number of columns in each row. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And I just want you to play around with this experiment. Use different numbers 1 through 10. So that means you shouldn't have any less than 1, which would be 0, and you shouldn't have any more than 10. And see what happens when you make these arrays. Make as many arrays as you can. When I do a 4 by 4, look at that. I get a square again. It also says, write a number sentence below each array. So, I recorded it in there. Now I need to take my pencil tool. So down here, the little A with the pen, I'm going to take my writing tool. And I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. And then 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times 4. Well, 4 plus 4 is 8. So I'm going to double that. And I get 16. Then if you want to clear your grid, you can go down to this button. And I can hit OK. And then I can start it again once I get my counters. So you do that with a few different numbers. Remember, the same number of rows is the same number of columns. Okay, when you've played around with that, experimented. Oops, and I don't think that's what I wanted. Okay, so once you've made a few arrays 1 through 10, then go to the next page and start your math boxes. Remember, log into where we had that e-toolkit, go to today's lessons, and the math box can read the questions to you. Have a great day.